TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 11. You get the Nasdaq up 4. S&Ps are down 1. Gold contracts trading down $1 at $12.75. We have silver up 19 cents at $17.81 an ounce. Platinum is down $2 at $9.78 an ounce. Copper's flat at $2.20 a pound. Light sweet crude off 79 cents, trading at $47.90 a barrel. Notes are up 3 ticks, 129.20. Bonds are up 14 ticks, 162.20. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, came back into major support from last February through May, and I expect what you're going to see here, you're going to see higher price in the notes, in the bonds, once again, lower yield. King dollar up 253 ticks. Now, King dollar is in a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. It's trading at 98.59 right now. That price projection is 100.77. That being said, guess what? It very well could have topped out last week at the 99 area. It pulled down Friday, had volume on the way back. What it's doing right now is going higher, lighter volume. It looks like it's setting up for lower price. The euro is trading at $1.09, and the yen is at 105.02. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. This is what you're looking at. S&Ps right now are trading at 212.74. They came down last Friday with wide price spread, accelerated volume. That's saying it's building cause to break out these bottoms. We're at 212.74. You're in window dressing right now. You have the Federal Reserve meeting, and we have Facebook. Bottom line, next few days, I expect a sideways, maybe slightly higher market. After that, see ya. Don't want to be ya. This S&P wants to run down to the 198 mark, which is the lows of the 27th of June. We take a look at the Dow Industrials, same type of setup inside the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials was hammering on the lows last week, had the volume behind the move, sideways move. Dow Industrials right now are trading at a price point of 18,153, and that also wants to run down to the 27th, which is the 17,063. NDX 100, what do you have inside the NDX 100? That also had volume, subtle, but it had big volume on the way down on Friday. I expect you're going to see that as sideways move also. Now, the next move on the NDX would be 46.56, and right now you're at 48. That being said, what you do have is that on the NDX, this would be a heck of a correction, because 41.79 is your low that was generated out here on the 27th of June. Brexit, that wants to go after that. The composite, same setup in the composite. Composite's up $5 right now. Here at 51.79. First move would be 5,097. Larger move is going to be 46.43. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract right now, folks, is in a small ABC structure on the way up. Took a B point out on Friday. Took it out with volume. Right now at 12.74. You're talking at 12.90. And what has happened out here this morning is very well maybe the equities, the gold and silver equities that take the gold and silver market higher. You're getting a bid out here in the gold and silver equities this morning. The composite, the NASDAQ composite. What do you have with the composite? Composite out here right now is trading out at, silver. What silver's doing, silver right now is trading out at a price point of 1780. Silver needs wider price spread. We're back inside 1774. You want to see more wider price spread, accelerated volume. The notes and bonds are screaming that they want higher price once again. And what I suspect we're going to get there is that that's going to be when the market starts pulling back this Thursday, after window dressing, after the Fed. And then the bottom line, it looks to me like the 10-year right now is at 129.20. It rejected lower price. It's back in the higher range once again. And I expect you're going to see higher price, lower yields. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.